Welcome back to Gear Hub. Today we're breaking down one of the most exciting new additions to Honda's adventure lineup, the 2026 Honda CRF750L. Positioned between the lightweight dual-sport CRF series and the larger adventure-focused Africa Twin models, the CRF750L steps into a highly competitive middleweight segment. Honda designed it to deliver true off-road performance while keeping long-distance comfort and real-world practicality at the center of its identity. A new middleweight built for serious adventure. The CRF750L isn't just another motorcycle added to the adventure lineup, it represents a deliberate shift. Riders have been demanding a bike with enough power for highway travel, enough toughness for trails, and enough lightness to handle technical terrain without stress. Honda responded with a machine that blends the reliability of the CRF family with the touring spirit of the Africa Twin platform. The result is a purpose-built middleweight adventure bike that doesn't overwhelm new riders yet provides seasoned explorers with the capability needed for demanding routes. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Honda CRF750L is a brand new 750 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine engineered for smooth, immediate torque. Rather than chasing peak horsepower numbers, Honda focused on creating power that works everywhere, on pavement, sand, gravel, and forest trails. The engine delivers strong pull from the low end, allowing riders to climb steep inclines and maneuver through technical sections without constant gear changes. At mid-range, the CRF750L feels lively and responsive, making highway passes easier and long journeys less tiring. Even at higher speeds, the motor remains balanced and efficient, offering both durability and impressive fuel economy. This is an engine made for adventure, not just commuting. Transmission options. Honda continues to refine its gearbox technology, and the CRF750L comes with two choices, a 6-speed manual transmission or Honda's latest dual-clutch transmission, DCT. The manual version gives riders full control and a classic dirt bike feel. It's ideal for off-road purists who want complete command over gear changes when tackling difficult terrain. The DCT option, however, is becoming increasingly popular among adventure riders. For 2026, shifts are noticeably quicker and more intuitive. Riders can switch between automatic and manual modes effortlessly, allowing them to focus on the terrain ahead. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating tight uphill switchbacks, the DCT adapts to riding style in real time. Chassis and handling. One of the defining characteristics of the CRF750L is its chassis. Honda engineered a lightweight but sturdy frame that offers stability without compromising agility. On pavement, the bike feels planted and predictable. Cornering is smooth, steering input is light, and the bike maintains balance even when fully loaded with luggage. Off-road, the CRF750L truly shows its character. The geometry encourages confidence on loose ground, while the slim body design helps the rider move freely during technical maneuvers. This is the kind of bike you can stand up on for long stretches without discomfort. Suspension. Adventure bikes live and die by their suspension, and the 2026 CRF750L doesn't disappoint. Honda equipped it with long-travel suspension optimized for a wide range of terrain. The forks and rear shock absorb sharp hits, ruts, and uneven surfaces exceptionally well. Riders transitioning from dual sports will appreciate how natural the suspension feels. Those coming from heavier adventure bikes will immediately notice how much easier the bike is to control in rocky or sandy environments. Ground clearance is generous, giving riders confidence when tackling obstacles or unpredictable landscapes. Braking and safety features. The CRF750L features a dual-disc front braking setup paired with a single rear disc, all supported by Honda's intelligent ABS. The ABS system adjusts to road conditions and riding modes, allowing controlled braking without sacrificing traction. For off-road riders, rear ABS can be disabled. This gives more freedom to slide the back end or pivot the bike in tight areas. Honda's traction control system offers multiple intervention levels, letting riders fine-tune the electronics to match trail difficulty and riding style. Long-distance comfort and practicality. Adventure riding isn't only about conquering difficult terrain, it's about spending hours on the bike comfortably. Honda designed the 2026 CRF750L with touring in mind. The seat offers all-day cushioning without feeling too soft. The riding position is upright and relaxed, giving excellent visibility and reduced fatigue. Wind management has been improved with an adjustable windscreen, and the bodywork channels air smoothly around the rider. The bike's impressive fuel efficiency and sizable tank capacity make it ideal for long-distance travel, especially in remote areas where fuel stops are infrequent. Technology and rider aids. Honda balanced modern technology with simplicity in the CRF750L. The bike features a bright TFT display that provides essential information without overwhelming the rider. Riding modes adjust throttle response, traction control, and ABS behavior. Bluetooth connectivity keeps navigation and communication accessible. Despite its advanced features, the interface remains intuitive, reflecting Honda's philosophy: technology should enhance the ride, not complicate it. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda CRF750L carries the rugged CRF identity with sharper edges, rally-inspired bodywork, and bold graphics. The LED lighting gives the bike a modern, aggressive look, while the slim profile maintains off-road functionality. It looks tough, purposeful, and ready to handle real adventure, not just the daily commute. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda CRF750L successfully fills a gap many riders have been waiting for: a middleweight adventure motorcycle that blends off-road capability, long-distance comfort, and Honda's signature reliability. It's powerful enough for touring, light enough for trails, and smart enough to adapt to any environment. For riders seeking a machine built for serious exploration without the bulk of a heavyweight ADV, the CRF750L is set to become a top contender.